back at Rabbitown Cafe in Gainesville. We just did a little hop, skip, and a jump over here, but we're eventually going to end up in Brevard, North Carolina. But I'm hungry. We're going to eat. This is the school bus graveyard. Okay, let's go look. And you can't get to them. And that's what I've been looking for. It's better without the cars in it. Mr. Policy Man. Did you wave at him? Gorge. You can't really see it, can you? Nope. Oh well. Do like it when they get bigger.
Reported ahead.
Yep, at least ahead. You know you're in Georgia. Where's he hiding at? There he is. You gonna wave at this one too, sweetie?
Back there, take a right, you get to the movie theater.
Goes on a roof place. Been down this road many times. Raven Gap. State line, Macon County.
Welcome to North Carolina.
Why, thank you. Mind if we do. Take me to those mountains way far in the distance, please. I want to be that high. Not bad. Grain silo. Cullasaja River Gorge, some of it. And this is Quarry Falls. This is right before you get into Highlands. Looks like some people are enjoying it. I'm not going to hike all the way down there because I don't have to. I don't want to disturb them. But that's pretty cool. They also call it Bust Your Butt Falls, but I think that's mainly the locals. I can see why. I see somebody climbing up there. He's going to jump into the water. Well, let's watch him. Come on, Daredevil. Stay on the edge. Why are you walking back? You gonna run? Surely not. I don't know what this fool's doing. Yeah, I don't think so. Looks like we have Daredevil number 2. Not to be outdone. Got a safe face in front of this girl, I reckon. Let's see. Do it. Do it. Yay. You did it. That little part keeps catching my eye. You know I got to. Hey, it gets like 96 degrees and the real field temperature's 105, and I know why people are hanging out by the falls. This is right by the road, as you can probably tell. But we got miles to go before we sleep. National Forest. It's pretty through here. Bridal Falls, y'all might remember.
To the Highlands.
Well, we came to the Highlands here last time and got supplies. And I made Tripp stop in this parking lot because I like the bushes. And then they got a little bridge. And then they got some more of the pretty bushes. So I'm hoping he'll get a panoramic for me. I need something new for my back page. I'm bored. Government offices, judges, general store. We'll come check out the town later. There's a white squirrel. It was on top of the traffic signal. Okay. Well, now we are in search of supplies, and then we're gonna check in and see what's what. Will we beat it? Let's see. I found Navin's cornfield. You must find your inner Zen bunny. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna look at your little mini rabbits, mister. Nothing you can do about it. People are funny. This is awesome. I guess y'all can tell where I'm gonna be when it rains. They have this big covered deck, and you get to feel the mist of the rain and the cool breeze. This is nice. I do like storms. Light it up, God. Show us the way. Is that not awesome?